Hey guys, it's Elaine, the Ninja Life Coach, and today we're going to do a wig unboxing with AISI hair. So sit back, grab yourselves a cup of coffee. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, I'm back. I have this little package from Amazon, and it's from AISI hair, and Wishy sent me this from AISI hair. I had spoken with her and I said, would you be willing to send me another wig? And she said, sure. So here we go. I'm going to open this and we're going to see what we got. Let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness. I don't really know what this wig looks like. We're going to take it out and we're going to see. This is, let's see if there's a number. This is number X00204KVY5 from AISI hair. Now that's just a number on the package, so I don't know what that means, but we're getting ready to see. Okay, here we go. She comes with swag, a little wig caps. I love these things. And here is the hair. Oh, I really like the color. She's almost like a honey blonde. And she is, I do not see a number on this wig, but I will drop a link down there because I know which wig this is now that I see it. So I'll drop a link down in the description box so that you guys can take a look at this wig if you want to. Oh my goodness, she's a long wig. Her hair feels really, really good. Here she is. And I mean, wow, she's long. She's a lovely honey, kind of a honey blonde. And I really like the feel of this wig. Let's get this thing out of here. Let's look at the cap. This is a basic wig cap. She has the little tabs on the side and the adjustable straps in the back. Open wefts, little lace top, not a lace front, but a lace top wig. So when I come back, I'm going to have this little beauty on my head. She is a rooted wig, and she has a little bit of a part, and it looks like that's a little bit of a mono part in there. So I bet I could go in there and pluck that hair down just a little bit. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here she is right out of the box. And let me turn around so you guys can see. I do still have the tag on her back in here. So this is right out of the box. I haven't done anything to her. The hair is really, really soft. Here is the top and the front. The part is pretty much right in the middle. So if you're going to get this wig, you're not going to be able to change the part. The wig is right, the part is right there in the middle, and where it lays, that's where it is. So I really love the feel of this hair. This hair feels really, really good. And one thing that I would probably do with this wig is I would probably pull it back and maybe do like a little, some kind of a little messy bun or something in the back of it. And I would definitely have to thin this hair out because she has a lot of hair. But my goodness, I feel kind of like Lady Godiva in this wig. Let me style her just a bit and I'll be right back. And I braided a couple of braids in the front just simply because I think it's cute. I really like the part. I put a little bit of concealer in the part, and I think for a wig to just have fun with, this is just a cool little wig. The hair is very soft. The cap construction and everything's just really nice for a good basic wig cap, and for the price, you really just can't beat this wig. It's a cute little wig. I really like this wig. I have plucked a little bit of the part here, and I've added a headband, and I've braided the sides like this. And I think that tamed her down just a little bit, and I really enjoy this wig. Let me back up just a bit so you can see how long the hair is. The hair is pretty pretty long. You know, it comes all the way down to almost, well, I'm short, so it comes down to my waist. So I really think this wig would be just a great little fun wig. I think that I would enjoy wearing this wig on a day when I just wanted to have fun or do something, you know, do something a little totally different. Let me try another style. I really just want to try a couple of things with this. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back now and I've got a bandana on the front of the wig, and I've still got my braids because I really like this wig braided like this. And you could always, you know, do something very much like that if you wanted to and have the braids in the back. But I think this is just a cool, fun little wig. I think this wig would actually be pretty good for fall and winter because it feels like it's a heavier density wig, and it would probably keep your head warm. Here she is all the way around with the bandana on my head. And this is what I love to do. I love to get wigs from wig companies and then just play with them for a little while to see what I can get them to do. I really like this wig. I think this wig is cute. I think it's functional. I think the wig is just an adorable little long wig. I know some of you have requested that I do longer hair, and she definitely is a longer hair wig. Now what I'll probably end up doing with this wig is cutting this last layer of hair out, because that's a lot of hair and I am really, really short. But as far as the wig being, you know, the feel of the wig, the cap construction, and everything like that, the wig is like $17.99, $16.99, something like that. For a fun wig, you're not going to be able to beat this. This is just a cool, fun little wig. And I'll be sure to drop a link, like I said, and everything down in the description box. You can take a look at it. Here it is one more time. Drop a comment and let me know what you think I need to name this wig. She is just begging for a name. So whatever you guys think I need to name her, just let me know, and that's going to be her name. Hope you guys have a great day today. Visit my website, Ninja Life Coaching, and while you're prowling around on the internet, check out my book, Lord Am I Going Crazy? It's a 30-day devotional guide for women over 40, and it's on Amazon. I also have an Amazon storefront. I'll drop a link to everything that I used on the wig down in the description. God bless, guys. Have a great day. Maranatha.